Welcome to Let's Learn English. Today, we're going to talk about a little word that has a big impact on our language: pronouns. Have you ever noticed how often we use words like he, she, and it in our everyday speech? These are all examples of pronouns, and they make our language more efficient by replacing nouns that we've already mentioned. In this video, we'll explore the different types of pronouns and how to use them correctly. So let's get started. Types of pronouns: personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, intensive pronouns, reciprocal pronouns. Personal pronouns. A personal pronoun is a pronoun typically used to refer to a speaker or to the people or things that a speaker is referring to. Often, personal pronouns are used to replace proper names, as in Olivia went to bed early because Olivia worked hard today. Like all other pronouns, personal pronouns only replace nouns and not other parts of speech, like verbs or adjectives. We can use personal pronouns to refer to a single person, thing, or many people, things. Singular personal pronouns. A personal pronoun is singular if it refers to exactly one person or thing. The most commonly used singular personal pronouns are first person, I, me. Second person, you. Third person, she, her, he, him, it. Plural personal pronouns. A personal pronoun is plural if it refers to more than one person or thing. The most commonly used plural personal pronouns are first person, we, us. Second person, you. Third person, they, them. Possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to express ownership or possession. For example, in the sentence Charlotte noticed that Seth's dog was bigger than hers, the word hers indicates that Charlotte's dog belongs to Charlotte. There are a bunch of different possessive pronouns that you can use, which can be either singular or plural if they are referring to one person or multiple people. Singular possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are singular if they only refer to only one person or thing. Singular possessive pronouns include mine, yours, yours, his, its, theirs. Plural possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is plural if it refers to more than one person or thing. Plural possessive pronouns include ours, yours, theirs. Relative pronouns. A relative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to introduce a relative clause in particular. Relative pronouns usually introduce relative clauses that describe nouns or other pronouns. A relative clause is a type of subordinate clause, also known as a dependent clause, which means that it can't stand by itself as a complete sentence. For example, the word that is a relative pronoun in the sentence "Find me the book that has money hidden in it." Whose, which, who, whom are all relative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. An interrogative pronoun is a pronoun used to ask a question. For example, the word who is an interrogative pronoun in the sentence "Who are you?" The 5 most commonly used interrogative pronouns are who, whom, whose, what, and which. Reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun used as an object that refers to the same person or thing as the subject. For example, the word herself is a reflexive pronoun in the sentence "Nina loves herself." Because it refers to the same person as the subject Nina, Nina loves Nina. Singular reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is singular if it refers to exactly one person or thing. The most commonly used reflexive singular pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself. Plural reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is plural if it refers to more than one person or thing. The most commonly used plural reflexive pronouns are ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Indefinite pronouns. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that doesn't specifically identify what it is referring to. For example, the word someone is an indefinite pronoun in the sentence, someone ate the last slice of pizza. Indefinite pronouns can be singular, plural, or either singular or plural. Singular indefinite pronouns: another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, enough, everyone, everybody, everyone, everything, less, etc. are indefinite pronouns that are typically used as singular. Plural indefinite pronouns: both, few, fewer, many, others, several, etc. are the indefinite pronouns that are treated as plural. All, any, more, most, none, some, such, etc. are indefinite pronouns, can be either singular or plural. Demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun used to point to specific people or things. For example, imagine there was a chair right next to you and a chair across the room from you. When talking about the chair nearer to you, you would say this is a chair. When talking about the chair far away from you, you would point to it and say that is a chair. In these sentences, the words this and that are demonstrative pronouns. Intensive pronouns. An intensive pronoun is a pronoun that refers back to the subject of a sentence in order to emphasize it. For example, the pronoun himself is an intensive pronoun in the sentence, the detective himself was the culprit. The pronoun himself refers back to the subject, the detective, in order to add emphasis, depending on how many people an intensive pronoun refers to. It can be singular or plural. All intensive pronouns end in either self or selves. Reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns refer to a situation where someone or something performs an action on others and receives the same action in return. For example, the sentence Andrew and Bill helped each other means that Andrew helped Bill and Bill helped Andrew. Most style guides only consider there to be two reciprocal pronouns, and both of them consist of two words. These reciprocal pronouns are each other, one another. So these are the different types of pronouns. By understanding and using them correctly, you can avoid repetition in your sentences and communicate more effectively. Thank you for watching this video on pronouns and their types. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.